In 600 meters, take the exit toward NAIA Airport. In 100 meters, take the exit toward Aurora Boulevard. Take the exit toward Aurora Boulevard, then continue straight. Take the exit toward NAIA Airport. Continue for 800 meters. Keep left to stay on E6. In 400 meters, slight right onto Terminal 3 entrance. Continue on E6 for 3 kilometers. In 100 meters, slight right to stay on Terminal 3 entrance. Slight right to stay on Terminal 3 entrance, then slight right onto Terminal 3 Departures Road. Slight right onto Terminal 3 Departures Road, then turn left to stay on Terminal 3 Departures Road. Turn left to stay on Terminal 3 Departures Road. In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination. Please press the button. No pressure at the exit. Please get ticket now. Thank you.
Hello, Bricks! Uy, bye-bye, Bricks! Bye-bye! Dito kami sa departure. Papasok na kami Terminal 3. Departure.
You are in the airport. You are in the airport.
Dito kami sa Terminal 3. Mag-check-in muna kayo. Mag-check-in muna kayo. Tapos antayin namin kayo doon sa ano. Pakdo. Yee!
Ano si Air Canada yun may ano, doon, ayun, sa may guwidot. Pero yung TV na yung isa na yan, di ba? Yun yung susunod, ayun yung may pula. May pulang gano'n, Diretso mo eh, may pulang ganon. Hindi kayo, kaya kaya natin. Yun yun.
Generali ticket lang po dito.
Boarding na pala sila diretso.
Where's your bag?
Oh, where's your bag?
We have our bag and us.
Mag-breakfast muna si Bricks kasi malayo pa yung biyahe nila, Butuan. Tapos Butuan to Surigao City pa.
Bring your bag.
Where are you going? Going.
Mama, buhatin mo sa likina. Jump, jump, jump. Ay, up.
Want to really go? Hey. Bricks, are you ready? Bye daw. Bye po, Bricks. Bye-bye, Kuya Bricks.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Dalawa na ba? Hindi na kay Kuya Bricks.
See you next week.
Next week na tayo. Wala tayong bag.
Bye-bye.
Sama lang tayo.
Give it to Kuya Bricks. Give it to Kuya.
Give me a happy first. Happy first.
Alis na sila, Bricks. Papasok na sa boarding area. Bricks, bye-bye. Bye-bye.